Now, I'm from school. That means share something about the Canadian immigration system and law. Maybe, who knows, at the end of this video, you'll learn one or two things. A bit to me, was said Canada is your money messifa. Because I from me, Antena Canada. Obisu cross Antena Crawada, Savia soon. A fia banidi, and a dim papa so nearbo. It is a word they make Dean Eba Tantana one. Antena, your schoolmate too. I was say you my papa or Ghana. Intipia or Masom why. Yan twasun comodidium. Enra me uploaded post be about Thomas Partey make sure money intia. E bia na Canada immigration ama na amba country nim. Mumu bi na mo enyantia se. Ebi mo se an. Money be no waye. Besi den na ye hu se waye anase wonye. Obi to say until proven guilty, Thomas is actually innocent, which is 100% a generalized statement. No, obi to say because the UK and Canada nyina are under the rule of the King Charles Ntino. England will influence our Canadian immigration system so enitina manabasa. Canada hanum say no se wo ba okobo onsa no ye bi biometric. Biometric no emma immigration officer bi a obe review application ni bi ho kwan say obey your background check. It be a criminal record check, it be your medical history, it be your financial status or eligibility, it be your family information, it be your employment history. All these are background checks. And this okay biometric pep. One my officer no kwan say unbreaking sa confidentiality na e bon ho ban se nipa no na onkwohwehwe mu say wo se fata say on sabe kan visa ni bia na aba krom ha. Why the Canada immigration system or officers are allowed to do this is that they want to know who they are admitting into their country. So your papa, so anya papa. Then maybe koye wo redeem, so maybe nkoye. So what kind of cre, so one kind of cre. So why bonibi, so one bonibi. Because over krom hanom no, so the san someone in neba. There is a likelihood say, sa answer money na wadi bi Ghana no, ubetimi asay di bi wo ha. Obo no ma ebetimi refuse the visa based on the medical history bi owo. Nya se why boni bia but omofo say, obewura Canada no, yare na da no so no. Enye sika keto anya de beko. Nti ene e ma ne mba krampo no de abesa nkrofo na aban na sa abon ho ka. Nti sa ne ma we nyina ye friend background check. Now in relation to Thomas Partey situation no, I know ya adwen say court krampo proceeding and started so bo ne de abono. E bia na wa anyempo. But according to the Canadian immigration system, no, there is something called inadmissibility, which is often explained as reasonable grounds to believe an offense was committed or an offense occurred regardless of conviction. Thomas Partey has a pending criminal charges in the United Kingdom, England. Our faces 7 counts of rape and 1 count of sexual assault. Our pleaded not guilty. Mind you, under the Canadian immigration law, no, sexual assault, any rape, a serious criminality that does not need a conviction to trigger a ban or denial of entry into Canada. Ninyina say ya desa subo we bowa. Emfa ho se won court won kaka wanu masam. It is quite serious say ye betimi agina so eno nko a whether you are guilty or innocent to even ban you from coming into Canada. Ehun hia se e beka wasam awie ni ehun se ampa wo ye anasa wanye. Ni emom no betimi agina sa charge no nko aso. Na memudu a enti aka se Canada ha kra emma ha ya ban no mpo. Ninyina ne say they feel like if Thomas Partey is allowed entry into Canada, he actually poses a potential safety or security risk to residents here in Canada. Because obi de sobo bi say abono ewo UK dia. Enye omofo say owrakwe say mo a there is a chance say bibi sa so betimi asi, and they do not want that to happen to their residents or citizens. Enye me na meka o ayemra na me cheche mo ase. Sir Thomas ekono kokana asem na se omo hu se nokra bi o Thomas afa na yi sa sobo ni free no so ya kwete no and find him not guilty a sa sobo na Canada ban de ato no so ewo mo immigration system no ye betimi aye free so enu mpo no hian krata asem obetimi de ato so opese oba Canada in the future I be dia dance say mpo akọ court he's been acquitted and found not guilty nemum no so akọ court na se sobo bi de aboni bia no e no kretrodo waya na ne he's going to become permanently inadmissible to Canada chese ontimi mba Canada bi mu da obi kura ka so betimi asu Canada ban ne ade usu omo zo mai den omo na omo de omo kro omo so bo ne ade abo no omo lo na omo de chiche kro ni chere say ehun hia kura so be court akoka wasem say no kre say ye no kre sa so bo no mpo no it is serious enough say yentimi mamba kro ni because ye pese abotim mfo no ban ne abo country no so ban aseme no ne mum Ghana ban so won hyehyeye bi a omo di agu akwam say de be ya omo betimi have some legal or administrative remedy to defend the principle of presumption of innocence in Thomas Partey's situation. Said the beya ibium obetimi aba Canada. No abe joining the team members. It's as simple as that. And I still now must say, Madam Okasa dodo. Kasa ne de. Munya hu hwio. Bia me kasa so de bia ote ha.